another Epic Flows production.
You only understand one thing out of a Jamaican mouth. So what that bomb crack boy? Suck your mother, yo. Suck your mother.
I've been waiting.
Yo, baby, what the fuck? She ain't got time. I'm coming in.
The next 12 hours, all crime is legal.
No girl no
I have a penis for your vagina hole.
DJ to anything. Give me a beat the Dora. Man Johnny from Kingston 6. Come with me house and teach me cheese tricks.
Blah 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 blah. Come and say everybody bro. Blah 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 blah. Blah.
Hi, can I have one fried chicken, please? Give me one fried chicken there, Bobby.
Grace tin mackerel. Jamaica's bigger, better tin mackerel. Yo, beg your son. Move up.
Mad bull, man the circle. Reaching bull.
What's up, dog? What's up, man? See anything you need?
Ready. Alright. Do you have a witness?
Grandma, do it for the vine. You don't see me a sweep. Do it for the vine. You don't see me a cook. Do it for the vine. Go take up your blood clot book.
Name something a man might have in his pants when he's going on a hot date.
Penis for your vagina hole. Penis.
Don't wanna stop make so much raw nice in the house, no, man. You never hear that talk?
Most of them girls fuck the party promoter them and still appear going at the party.
But that's none of my business.
I still a butt.
Come here, Mama Korea. Come here, Mama Korea. Come here, Mama Korea.
Rachel, Michelle,
Bruh.
Lunch upon payday, lunch 2 days after payday, lunch the week before payday, lunch the day before payday.
French fries, cinnamon rolls, fried chicken and mashed potatoes, French fries.
Why non-Jamaican people always try to say Jamaican bad word? Bamboo clart, blood clart, pussy clart. What am I calling to say?
Junior, go for the remote. Me can't find it.
Mommy, you're lazy bad. The remote they beside you all the while.
I shall never buy goat on eBay again. Look at this shit. Eh?
Oh, you can't go have back gorilla. Don't fuck with it.
You know what me? Broom broom. On the body me a wine and a broom 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 broom.
Steve, which way I put the remote for the TV?
What's here?
Yo, baby. Yo.
Squeeze me. I have a boyfriend.
I may have some steel curry goat in that fridge. So
People really don't believe me when I tell them I'm Jamaican. Until I really start shooting them or wicked because I get enough. Shout out to them dark skinned niggas. Y'all sexy as fuck. Like y'all skin tone. I love chocolate. Like, mwah to you.
Would you fuck me?
Andrew, really?
Asking out the title. Asking out the title. Bend over. Turn backward.
Mommy, my shampoo done.
You see this dishwashing liquid, eh?
Toilet paper done.
Use on towel.
Toothpaste done.
Some more, yeah.
One thing me can't stand about Jamaican people. When them a come for you, me them on my way. Make sure if you're ready, you know. Oh.
You ain't shit.
Blood clot.
Jamaicans come up with the most randomest nickname. They'll just make something up on the spot. Oh, that! What? Go on, yo.
Come here, kid. Hey, stay over there, sir. Your bird is mine. This last is mine. I'm chopping your bumbo.
Peachless.
That girl I want fuck.
Where the bumbo? Hey, boy.
No, what's wrong with them fucking idiot, you know. Me are the real browning. My pum turn up, you know. Take notes, bitch. Oh, really?
Where you go?
You just Friday.
You clean up your room, bathe from morning, clean out the bath, do laundry, wash your plate in the sink. Come wash my body, you're not gonna wear.
I've never seen a Jamaican give a compliment ever. Oh, wait, you're 14? Blood clot? What you there?
If you come one Sunday and you know your money done, better go suck out your mother, cause you not get none.
Mission completed.
How to spot a Jamaican bad man in a foreign country?
Flying first class up in the sky.
Yo, bad man, yes.
The answer is
21.
wrong. Yeah, you don't stop bumbo clad.
What? Tell him I'm gonna pull up the tune before you turn up the tune. Shut up, go on the
Mommy, no, she not play today. No. Alright, now she mommy.
When you brush with new tooth tunes,
you know what me pum pum. Pan the body me a wine and a boom boom boom.
That's all a reggae act you think needs for retire. For me if you tell you that I'm your god, I'm making the man them in career.
Yeah man, give me a piece of that now. I'll just take off one small piece.
I think about it too much, too much, too much.
No one can tell me what the to do.
If me ever see you do that, bumbo.
What the fuck? Bumbo clad.
Nicki Minaj and Drake are idiot, bro.
Me and Drake I got mad them blood clot way, but we know about stuff.
Yeah. Bro, me. Pillow man. Joss man. Weed.
Jamaicans give you no one that they're about to criticize you from head to toe. Your scalp dry? Or your face looks soft? Your boot them ugly?
Yo, I'll go on Terry.
She piss me off now.
What? This is literally what happens every sports day. Are you gonna run? Nah. But you're Jamaican. So? All Jamaicans have to run.
If you and a Jamaican argue, never say this. Go suck your mother. Cause most likely him have one of this pan him. I can sing.
Baby, I love you, and the bunch in my life. People don't leave me. People don't leave me.
Morning, Java. Cheers, please.
You drinking, nobody hot no. You guys buck up in a head top no. Ready for bubble lad.
Come here, kid. Hey, stay over there, sir. Your bird is mine. This last is mine. I'm chopping your bumbo. Peachless.
Wait, I'm gonna take a selfie.
When you did that, she said she want your heads.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, skip me, get up and do some work.
Don't you hate waking up like this? Some boy love violating, oh God. Please move them from me, God, before me bomb them family, God. Please, no.
You shoot to kill them, say me don't care. I tried to chill, but it no get me nowhere. I just put down me gun in a village. Sit up on the no gal, we cock it off in a bed. Sit up on the, sit up on the, sit up on the cocky. Sit up on the, sit up on the, sit up on the.
Babes, the pussy stink.
You never did say when you had some pussy last night.
Dog, I hear cup this.
It's raining outside. Jamaicans be like, rain a fall, breeze a blow, chicken body out a door. Bam.
Oh, what's up? What's up? Batty, man. I beg your pardon? Oh, yeah, Jamaican. Oh, suck your mother. Hey, Dad, we can get some chickens from McDonald's. Why, when there's chickens in the bush? Want me to catch one on fried for you? You want a chicken sandwich or no?
Me tell him, man, it's not an issue because my pum pum turn up.
I'm not sure what the weight my pom pom ten up.
You know what to do with that big fat blunt. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it. Smoke it, smoke it, smoke it.
Simon says to
Eat your ass.
I said, John knows I'm done with that bumbo cloud game right there now.